Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind this is based on my personal experience using Harbor Compliance. Thinking about using Harbor Compliance? This honest review will help you decide. If you're a business owner, run a non-profit, or are an entrepreneur searching for reliable compliance solutions, Harbor Compliance has probably popped up on your radar. So, what exactly does this service offer, and is it worth your investment? Harbor Compliance provides a comprehensive suite of services designed to assist businesses with a variety of compliance requirements. These range from the initial entity formation and registered agent services to annual reports, licensing, and even tax registrations. A major selling point is the personalized customer support. Each client is assigned a dedicated compliance specialist, providing direct access to an expert who understands your specific business needs. This individualized approach eliminates the frustration of navigating generic customer support channels. The Harbor Compliance platform is designed for businesses of all sizes. However, its value is amplified for companies operating in multiple states or industries with complex regulatory requirements. By using Harbor Compliance, you can ensure your business remains in good standing with the state, avoiding potentially hefty penalties. For non-profits, Harbor Compliance offers specialized services tailored to 501(c)(3) applications and fundraising registrations, which are vital for maintaining legal compliance when accepting donations. The entire process is user-friendly, and the platform's dashboard offers a clear, at-a-glance overview of your compliance status across various states or areas. This streamlined view helps simplify administrative tasks and keeps everything organized. However, it's important to acknowledge that Harbor Compliance isn't the cheapest option available. It's a premium service, and the higher price point reflects that. If you're a small business or a startup operating on a tight budget, the cost might be prohibitive compared to do-it-yourself alternatives. That said, if peace of mind, personalized service, and increased efficiency are your priorities, the investment in Harbor Compliance can be well worth it. In conclusion, Harbor Compliance delivers excellent value for businesses and nonprofits needing help navigating complex compliance landscapes. The personalized support and comprehensive suite of tools make it a top contender. However, it's crucial to weigh the cost against your specific needs and budget before making a decision.